My name is Ani Stepanyan. I am the product manager for beacons at Hella. Today I've brought you our latest beacon, K-LED Nano. As the name already announces, this is the smallest beacon at Hella. K-LED Nano is tiny. It has a height of 68 millimeters and a diameter of 146. The mounting points allow you to make an upgrade of an old halogen beacon, replacing it one by one, as the mounting points are exactly the same. You would find inside the box also a mounting instruction, which would make the installation for you as easy as possible. This beacon is available in two versions, as a fixed version as well as a pipe socket version. The pipe socket version is coming with a flexible pipe. That means if you get impacts by branches, this beacon would bend and come back to the original position. Doing so, the damages would be minimized. Despite of the tiny measurements, this beacon is very strong in lighting. The light approvals according ECR 65 as well as SAE-J 845 Class 1. Which means the light output is very strong, having a very good warning effectiveness. Now I would like to show you K-LED Nano in operation. K-LED Nano is coming with a double flashing warning light, which makes a very strong warning effectiveness, protecting people in traffic in dangerous situations. K-LED Nano, small but mighty.